Sometimes good things fall apart so better things could fall together. Incredible change happens in your life when you decide to take control of what you have power over instead of craving control over what you don't. People who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Change is made of choices, and choices are made of character. Recognizing that you are not where you want to be is a starting point to begin changing your life. I would like to think that all of my successes in life are really just the fruit of my failures. Always work hard and have fun in what you do, because I think that's when you're more successful. You have to choose to do it. If you don't make the time to work on creating the life you want, you're eventually going to be forced to spend a lot of time dealing with a life you don't want. It is never too late to be who you might have been. You can waste your lives drawing lines, or you can live your life crossing them. When you get into a tight place and everything goes against you, never give up then, for that is just a place and time that the tide will turn. Accept responsibility for your life. Know that it is you who will get you where you want to go, no one else. Permit yourself to change your mind when something is no longer working for you. When we're growing up, there are all sorts of people telling us what to do, when really what we need is space to work out who to be. Be not afraid of growing slowly. Be afraid only of standing still. Though no one can go back and make a brand new start, anyone can start from now and make a brand new ending.